We are here in Shenandoah, Iowa today at Windsor Manor, and I had the pleasure of meeting Windsor's Windy Weather Crew, and I would love for you to meet them too.
And what did you say the wind velocity was? Where are you going?
The crew is made up of 3 residents, Marjorie Wright, Russell Hilker, and Kenneth Mathis, and they are full of laughs and witty words.
Boy, I'm going to put these back on. That makes me look pretty foxy.
Each member brings a unique trait to the trio. Wright calls the shots.
Now, how does the weather affect you, Ken?
Well, it hurts my eyes.
Oh, it does.
Hilker brings the forecast for Shenandoah, and Mathis keeps track of some of the coldest and hottest temperatures across the United States.
I can't get over the difference, you know, of what there is in Fairbanks, Alaska, and what it is in Phoenix and Las Vegas. It just blows my mind.
While the trio was hesitant about the idea in the beginning, they look forward to it now.
I said, okay, I'll just go ahead and try it. You know, you have to try everything.
None of it's rehearsed either, which can lead to some entertaining moments.
I guess I should put on my bathing suit, I think. Well, it would have been fun.
Really not too late,
You guys would have died.
We don't get very serious, and sometimes we get off the topic of weather and bring up something else, so you never know what's going to come out of our mouths.
The Windsor Windy Weather Crew posts new videos on Mondays and Fridays. You can find those on their Facebook page, Windsor Manor. Reporting in Shenandoah, Iowa, Audra Moore, 3 News Now.